Comets, mysterious icy wanderers of our solar system. These celestial nomads have fascinated humanity for centuries, appearing suddenly in the night sky and then vanishing just as quickly. These celestial objects embark on incredible journeys, captivating us with their brilliance and intrigue. Each comet follows a unique path, often taking them on long, elliptical orbits around the Sun. Comets, remnants from the early solar system, hold clues to its formation. They are like frozen time capsules, preserving the primordial materials from which our solar system was born. Their paths around the Sun are often long and unpredictable. Some comets take hundreds or even thousands of years to complete a single orbit, while others may never return. Comets are much more than just beautiful sights. They are cosmic messengers, bringing with them stories from the distant past. They are time capsules, carrying ancient materials from the birth of our solar system. These materials include ice, dust, and organic compounds that have remained unchanged for billions of years. Studying them provides valuable insights into the conditions that existed billions of years ago. By analyzing the composition of comets, scientists can learn about the early solar system and the processes that led to the formation of planets. These dirty snowballs are composed of ice, dust, and rock. When they approach the Sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize, creating a glowing coma and a spectacular tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. Comets originate from the distant, cold reaches of our solar system, where the Sun's warmth barely reaches and the darkness is almost absolute. The Kuiper Belt, just beyond Neptune, is a region populated by icy bodies, including comets. This vast expanse is like a cosmic freezer, preserving these ancient objects in a pristine state. Further out, the Oort cloud, a vast and spherical shell, surrounds our solar system, harboring trillions of comets. This distant region is a mysterious and largely unexplored frontier, stretching nearly a light-year from the Sun. Gravitational nudges from passing stars or giant molecular clouds can disrupt the delicate balance in these regions. These subtle forces can send comets on a new trajectory, altering their orbits dramatically. These disruptions send comets hurtling towards the Sun, beginning their long journey inwards. As they travel, they pass through the realms of the outer planets, sometimes interacting with their gravitational fields. As comets approach the Sun, solar radiation starts to affect them. The heat causes the icy nucleus to sublimate, creating a glowing coma and a spectacular tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. The Sun's heat transforms a comet's appearance dramatically. As a comet approaches the inner solar system, solar radiation causes the ice within it to vaporize. This vaporization forms a glowing halo around the comet's nucleus, called the coma. The solar wind, a stream of charged particles from the Sun, pushes the coma's gas and dust outwards. This creates the comet's most spectacular feature, its tail. A comet can have two tails, a bluish ion tail and a whitish dust tail. Throughout history, comets have inspired both awe and fear. Halley's Comet, perhaps the most famous of all, turns to our skies every 76 years. Its appearances have been recorded for millennia. Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 made headlines in 1994 when it collided with Jupiter. This event provided valuable data about Jupiter's atmosphere and the power of cosmic collisions. Comets remind us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. The fate of a comet is uncertain, with several possibilities. These icy wanderers of the cosmos travel through space, their paths influenced by the gravitational forces of planets, stars, and other celestial bodies. Each journey they undertake is unique, and their ultimate destiny can vary widely. Some comets, after numerous trips around the Sun, exhaust their volatile materials. As they repeatedly approach the Sun, the intense heat causes their icy cores to sublimate, releasing gas and dust. Over time, this process depletes their reserves, leaving them with little to no material to form their characteristic glowing tails. These dead comets become inert chunks of rock and dust. Without their icy components, they no longer produce the spectacular displays that once made them visible from Earth. Instead, they drift silently through space, remnants of their former selves. Others might experience a more dramatic end. The gravitational forces of larger celestial bodies can tear them apart, causing them to disintegrate into smaller fragments. This violent process can create stunning meteor showers if the debris enters a planet's atmosphere. Collision with a planet or the Sun is a real possibility for some comets. Such impacts can have significant consequences, potentially altering the surface of planets or contributing to the formation of new celestial features. These collisions remind us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. Finally, some comets might be ejected from the solar system entirely, sent on a trajectory into interstellar space. These comets embark on a journey beyond our solar neighborhood, venturing into the vast unknown of the galaxy. Their paths may take them to distant star systems where they might encounter new gravitational influences. Whatever their fate, comets provide a glimpse into the vastness and wonder of the cosmos and remind us of the ongoing dance of celestial objects throughout the universe. They are silent storytellers of the solar system's history, each with a unique tale of formation, journey, and eventual destiny. As we observe them, we are reminded of the intricate and beautiful choreography that governs the movements of all celestial bodies.